To make journals in a journal assignment for your class in D2L, first go to the Course Tools Course Admin, that's this page right here, and then go into Groups and create a new category, and I'm going to call it Journals or Journal. And then in the enrollment type, choose the very bottom one, which is single user member specific groups, and make it available to the group members so they can see it. And then we're going to choose to create a discussion area. This discussion area will be used by the group, but the group will only have one student in it. So it'll be private between the instructor and that one student. So when you click it, we don't have a forum yet made, and I'm going to make a new one. I'm going to call it Journal. And then it's automatically going to create a new topic for the journal. Topic is what in Blackboard used to be called forums, whereas a forum in D2L is kind of a group of discussion topics. But this is what we want. We want it to create a new topic, and then save this. Then it's going to be making our groups. This will take a few minutes. And then they want us to create this topic. They're recommending calling it journal group discussion. I'm just wanting to rename that just journal. I know it's the same as the topic, but it'll make it more accessible to my students to know that this is called the journal. And I can put description here and how much I want them to use their journal and things like that. I'm going to go create a next, and then done. And then they're going to make I'm back to the category that I'm making, and I can add other things to the groups if I want, the group category, but I don't. That's all I wanted, so I'm just going to go save. And now it's all made. So what a student sees, when a student goes into discussions, they see this journal category, and here is the journal topic. And I'm just going to prove to you that they don't see each other's, but that you as the instructor see them. So I'm going to go into this journal topic, and I'm going to start a new thread, and I'm going to call it had a great summer. So sample entry 1 is from student 1, and I'm going to post that. Now I'm going to go in as another student. So this student went to the same place, discussions, and here is the same article. Notice that I cannot see what the first student posted. Even if I reload, I cannot see it. If I go into there, I only see my ability to start a new thread. And even if I reload, I can only see that one. And even if I go back to student number 1 and reload, they can only see their own. Or if they made another posting, they only see their own 2 posts, and student 2 doesn't see any of them. But as the instructor, if you go in there, you could go into discussions yourself. And if you go into journal, you'll see all the postings, and you can go and read them. Now, you can make this graded. So if I click the down arrow beside the forum up here and edit this topic, then I can go into assessment, and I could either make a new one, but I already made a column way back when I made my course. I had journal is worth 5%. So if I click the down arrow and choose the journal topic, and I score it out of 5, they have to make 5 entries. I even can add a rubric. If I click on add rubric, I've actually already made a journal rubric. I have a video on making and using rubrics, but I made one before, and I can add that rubric and then save and close. So now, if I go in, I can grade these. I can look at this first one, and I click the down arrow beside this topic and I go assess topic. And that will show me all my students. And here's the first one. If I click on topic score, I can see all the postings that they have made. And I can give them a grade, but I'm going to use the rubric. I'm going to go in there, and my first criteria is this, my second criteria is this, and the third one is here. The overall goes there. That's a grade out of 5. I could also I can also, I think I can upload. No, I don't have the ability to upload, but I can type whatever feedback I want in here and then publish, and they would be able to see the grade. If I didn't want them to see that grade, then back when I have the grades, I can hide that column and click the down arrow and edit it, and I can hide it from students. Up in restrictions. And that's how to create journals for your students.